This is a quick tutorial on how to access EPCC's online databases for controversial topics. Hello, my name is Katy Valtierra Piñon. I am a librarian at the Valle Verde campus. For access to the online databases and selection of the Controversials tab, you will go to the Online Databases, find the tab, and then select from the bold and blue databases under that tab. Once you've located that, you will be able to select an article of your choice, and then once that is open, you can generate a citation in any style. You may be asked to do APA, MLA, or Chicago in one of your classes. You can select from there. To get to the library homepage, you could get to EPCC's homepage. From there, type in the word library, and it'll take you straight to the library homepage. You will scroll down until you see the word resources. From there, you will select online databases, and that's it. Once you get to the databases, you will be looking at this page. It gives you different tabs for different types of databases. You will be selecting controversial. From there, you will be looking at the databases that are in bold and blue. Today, we will be going over Credo Reference. It is a great starting tool. It is for background information on your given topic. The other database we will be going over is called Gale and Context Opposing Viewpoints. This database will give you additional articles and information to complete your research. Now, for a quick view on the databases you can choose from. The first one is called Credo Reference. It is a great source for background information. It is also a great starting point. And then there's Opposing Viewpoints. It is from Gale and Context, and both of these databases have full text articles and a citation tool generator. You will be asked to log in using your username and password that you use for your email account. This is the only time you will be required to log in, and that is to access all EPCC databases. Once you've located an article you're interested in, you have a citation tool inside the database. You click on Cite Now, and it will give you an option as to which format you will be selecting, whether it be APA, MLA, or Chicago format. These citations are not 100%. They're very close, but you must double check for the accuracy of the citation using a style book or an online library handout. To reach a librarian online, you can go to Get Connected from the library's homepage. It is a virtual library, and for the spring of 2022, we are open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. All you have to do is click on Get Connected.